Hi, good morning, everyone. So, we've been using Facebook, right? But have you ever wondered what's the difference between Facebook and Meta? Palagay mo. Ano? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Let's clear the confusions today, alright? Facebook is the social media application that we all know. That's the app where we post updates, share photos, and also connect with our friends. Meta, on the other hand, that's gonna be the parent company that's on Facebook, Nonoy, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even Eucalyptus. So again, Facebook focuses on social networking, then Meta is building the future of virtual experiences, which is the metaverse. So on my next episode, we are going to talk about metaverse. I'm gonna share a brief information about it. So remember again, Facebook, that's gonna be the application, while Meta, that's gonna be the company behind it all. Now you can explain it to anyone who asks you. Babay na nanay.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go. Can you say let's go? Let's go. Can you say let's go? Bye.